What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at this 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. So if you guys are looking to get your Wrangler built, we're going to go and take a look at what we added. So first off, this lift kit is going to be the 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift, which is going to help raise up the Jeep enough to fit this bigger wheel and tire package, which is going to be a 35-inch tire and a 22x12 wheel. With this lift kit, you don't have to go with a 3.5 like you would with a JK, you do only have to go with a 2.5 to get the same clearance for this bigger wheel and tire package. This tire is going to be a 35-12-50 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be a step down from the mud terrain tire, so it's going to give you the nice aggressive vibe of a mud terrain tire and some of that features as well of capabilities. But it's also going to give you the on-road capabilities and features you would like with longer tread life and a quieter ride. So this one's still going to have that nice aggressive sidewall and that thicker tread, but again, it's going to give you the better on-road experience. Down here, we have a 22x12 Fuel Contra with a -44 offset. So this one's gonna have that nice deep concave look. So you're gonna have the spokes coming all the way out from the edge from the center of the center cap. And then this one's gonna be that gloss black and milled finish. So this wheel is gonna be all gloss black. Your millings on the outside of the spokes and then on your rivets on the outside of the lip, which kind of gives it a nice clean, but also a little bit of that aggressive look at the same time. And then, so with that negative offset, it's gonna push that wheel and tire package out a couple inches, giving it a nice wider stance. There's a lot of different sizes and finishes for this wheel since it is very popular of a wheel to choose from. You have your gloss black and milled, your matte black and milled, gloss black and candy red, your gloss black and candy blue, platinum, and there's different other finishes as well. So there's plenty of options for you to choose from. So if you guys like this wheel and tire setup for this Jeep, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. So make sure you check us out, but also make sure you check out our 0% financing option so you can go ahead and get your vehicle built now and pay later.